Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Hadin baka ken hun chong kabri kasur henyo trap klami ken san ban penlong ya kajingya perta hasurok ba hasekretariat bandawa naka sorkar jela Meghalaya badai ban sai madano ya ka kai pot halor ka jingshah siat yap chong uba cheris trafil thank you hakakti jong ki polit na kalyang jong ka sorkar jela leng ba osembot menteri rang ba ga jela uba preston tensong ula pha khot kloi ya kite kin nong yalam kabri u henyo trap banyakren layatu uba don boklang kharlengdo uba marbot dekhar katkum ka jingya thu jong uba don boklang kharlengdo habakren hakilat pathai khubor hadin baka jingya kren bot usembot mentirang ba ka jala uba preston tensong ula ong bana kalyang jong ka sorkar kan sara hapo ka Iing Dorbar ya ka kaipot hakas ngis dang jong ka jingya Iing Dorbar kaban salong haka khandai tarik September arhaja arpoar habiade bat kane ka jingja na kalyang jong ka tai ka ken hun kila ken tu ya ki MLA baro khamtam ya ki MLA ki badai na po ka khasi bat jantia hills bakin yakren nya halor ka tai ka kaipot khnang ba ya kinong ya le kamsnew en la ban pen sitom katkum ka an.
Please don't get confused. Judicial Inquiry Commission and an inquiry committee is different altogether. So the commission is being guided by the Act. There is a standing guidelines rules of the Commissions Act. So therefore, we are being guided by that. As far as the particular case is concerned, relating to the death of late Cheris to be held on the 9th of this month.
So is this the fastest commission to get its report ready? Because in the past we have seen many commissions, including the full moon Dhar case, which took so many years to release the report.
Yes, correct. I think this must be the fastest one. We see from the government side, MDA government, we are committed, we are sincere enough to make sure that the report is submitted, and not only that, the report has to be placed in the table of the House. I think this is the fastest report to be laid in the floor of the House, and also to be made it public.
So,
to them all the details where we have to be guided by the Act, by the guidelines, by the rules. Then I told them the inquiry commission report has to be first of all placed on the table of the House, and thereafter from that very day itself it will become a public property. It will be in the public domain. So I told them, please wait, because the autumn session will start from 9th of September, and BAC next week we will sit down, we will work out the business of the session. But it is confirmed that the session will start from the 9th, and on that very same day itself, the report will be placed on the table of the House. So I requested all of them, please have a patience a little bit, and till such time is rich, you will be known all the details and detailed reports of the commission appointed by the state government.
It is
because series of meetings were held during that time. So from the government side, we have already told all the concerned stakeholders, all the traditional heads of the Malay town Dorbar, we already told them, let us have patience, let the commission report be submitted to the government, then whatever recommendation which is made by the commission, then government will take action accordingly as per the recommendation.
so we
See, as far as pending bills is concerned, be it industries or be it household, be it anybody, MECL is trying its best to recover back those outstanding as early as possible. So that is the ongoing process where we are doing it. It is not just that RTI report says that way, we need to also understand, okay, maybe 44 crores outstanding is there, but from the government side, from the corporation side, what we do is we keep following it up every month. Because these people who fail to pay, they have to also pay the penalty. So the more they delay, the more they have to pay the penalty. So we have, we have walked out the system and we have told them, pay as early as possible. We are doing this. This is the ongoing process where the corporation is doing.
Another issue.
I think about 2 or 3 times we extended. We extended the term of this commission. And that also is not because of the government tactic to delay. In fact, it is because of the commission chairman himself who sought extension. And the hearing of these type of cases, it takes a lot of time. Sometimes the witnesses are not free. When they are not free, then he has to extend the date. So these are the procedures where, practically we need to also understand and we need to also accept it. That's why I requested them, I convinced them, please be patient. Because I've already told them also on the 9th, session will start, autumn session starts. So please be patient. You've been waiting for so many months. So it's a matter of just maybe 1 month or below 1 month from today's hand. Get confused. There are report which the government constituted under different book. One is commission. When you talk about commission, we are being guided by the Commission Act. And when we said committee, means committee is up to the state government. Ultimately, that is the different issue. But when you ask me about the report of this particular instant case, it is very clear. We have to place it on the table of the House first, and thereafter it will be made public. This is similar to CAG report. Even CAG report, we cannot make it public until it is made on the table of the House.
Sir, the delegation